In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can get paid instantly with two websites that you have never heard about before. It is absolutely free and it doesn't require any special skills at all. If you want to set it up properly, then make sure to keep watching until the end. I will also show you how to maximize your earnings, so stay tuned. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Edenia's World with notifications on. So you're going to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first website that you need to visit, guys, is this one right here called Squishy Cash. This is over at squishycash.com. The first thing that you're going to see when you come over here is that you're going to earn some extra cash, gift cards and prizes. It's easy to earn with Squishy Cash. Now, some of the offers that you need to complete in order to get paid are you're going to take surveys, to play games, to sign up for free sites, to sign up for free trials, and you can even earn cash back for online shopping, and it is 100% free to join. You're also going to see that you can refer friends and earn money. You can earn some passive income with their awesome referral system. You can refer your friends and earn 25% of their cash offer earnings, plus $1 per active referral. So if you don't want to spend your time by doing these offers, you can also make some passive income by referring friends, and you're going to get paid passively. But I highly recommend you do both of these so you can maximize your earnings and earn even more. And at the end, you're going to get paid. Payments, gift cards and prizes are sent the next day, so it only needs like 24 hours in order to get paid. You can get paid directly and instantly. You can earn even more money by participating in daily and monthly contests, as you can see right here. And the thing is that you can get paid through PayPal, which is awesome, and also through Visa, but you can also get some gift cards that you can use in Amazon, Target, Starbucks, iTunes, eBay, Walmart, and so on and so forth, as you can see right here. Now, something that I want to mention about this website is that it has over 271,000 of members, and in total they have paid out more than almost actually $350,000, which is pretty good for a website like this one. And also they have been around since 2007, 14 years ago, which is very awesome, and this shows that this website is 100% legit and it's going to pay you. And something else that I want to show you guys are the payment proofs, which also show that this platform is 100% legit. You can see them right here, that members are getting paid a lot of money with this website, and also to see all of the payment proofs you can click on this button here. But in order to see all of them, you need to first create an account for absolutely free here on Squishy Cash. But before I show you how you can create an account, I want to show you some other testimonials. You're going to see what members have to say about this website, and let's say that they love it. So right now, what you can do in order to get started with this website is to click on the join button up here, and it's going to take you over to this page. You're going to see that you're going to get $3 and also 5 chips to your account just for signing up, which is a nice addition. And then you're going to fill in the required fields, which are the first name, the last name, a username, a password. You're going to confirm your password, and then you're going to put your email address, and it doesn't have to be an iCloud email address, as you can see here. Then you need to confirm your email address. And right here you have some fields that are not required. This is an optional step, but you can also complete them after you create your account. Then you're going to put your birthday, which is also required. You can leave the referred by box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone. And then you're going to confirm that you're not a robot by completing this captcha here, agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then click on sign up. And the most important part that I want to show you right now is that you can take part from any country of the world. So as it says here, residents from all countries may participate. This this shows that this website is worldwide available. So right here you have all the things that you can do in order to get paid. You have new offers, free offers, surveys, trials, shopping, clicks. You can even get paid by clicking and offer walls. Then you have the referral system right here. You have even the contests that you can take part, which are monthly and also daily. Here you can redeem your cash or prizes, and then you can convert even cash to tips. I highly recommend you try it and let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. Now, the second website that I want to show you today, guys, is this one right here called Rewarding Ways. This is over at rewardingways.com. As soon as you come over here, you're going to see that you're going to get paid fast. Payments are available within 24 hours. You can get paid through PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango gift cards, and also with Bitcoin. So cryptocurrency is available here on Rewarding Ways, which is awesome for you who love cryptocurrency. Here you're going to see that you're going to get paid by completing surveys. So the survey task is the main one, but they have also other tasks to complete, so I'm going to show you in a minute. Then you're going to make money online. As you can see, you're going to work from home, and you can also join some free bonuses. Something that I want to show you are the reviews. As you can see here on Trustpilot, they have a rating of 4.0 stars reviews with almost 800 people. So they have rated it at 94% as excellent and great, and only 6% as average, poor and bad. And the other thing that I want to show you are the payment proof, which you can also check out by clicking right here, and you're going to see that people are getting paid with this website every day, and there are over 80,000 of payment proofs pages, which is insane. So you're going to see that they've paid out over $2 million to their members, which is crazy. And here you're going to see what you can do besides taking part in surveys. You have, for example, watching videos, taking part in a paid trial, and then some offers in order to earn points. Then these points you can redeem for gift cards. There I have Tango gift cards, which you can use in known retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, and so on. You can also earn cash, of course, and you can get paid through PayPal and other payment options. And also something else I wanted to show you about Rewarding Ways that you can maximize your results is that you can use their referral system that pay you 25% or everything that your referral earns for life, which is awesome. Both of these websites has the referral program, so you can use them and you can go earn money passively and maximize your earnings. With that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.